Alright guys, how's it going? We haven't posted a video in a long time, but this is an update of what we've done to the BRZ. So let's stay right here. The main thing you guys probably saw in the last video of the clutch install was the pipes. So I got the equal length headers, and then it's a mid pipe front pipe combo, and that's full 3-inch, and then from there I got a pipe welded, and then these two. So basically the exhaust is a full 3-inch exhaust. It's mostly custom, just the nameless overpipe front pipe, and then obviously you got the lightweight flywheel on the ACT clutch. It's still tuned on E85 with the open flash tablet, and then I'm still running the map with the retarded timing on deceleration, so it pops and stuff like that. But we're gonna show you guys how much faster it is. So we'll try to do some launches right here on the street, and then maybe 0 to 60.
And we also got the Ecutech, right?
Oh yeah, so I got the Ecutech, I think it's a cable. I just need to buy the license for the car, so I'm just sitting on that. So once I just fork out a couple $100 for the license, then we can tune it a lot better. But right now it's been reliable, no problem. It's tuned on E85. Stock fuel pump, stock injectors, drop-in air filter. But the car is pretty quick. It takes out some good cars. So we'll go ahead and do a launch.
We got an app right here to see.
Yeah, so we got an app that we're gonna
0 to
use.
60 app. So you start it, and then it'll, as your mile per hour goes up, it'll stop automatically.
Yeah, so it'll stop at 60.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. So let's do it. So we found a street that we're gonna do the 0 to 60. So we have this app, but it's kind of lagging. So we'll see. My tires are cold, so we're gonna try to launch. Hopefully it's a good launch. All right.
I'll record right here just so you can see.
Yeah.
All right, ready?
Why don't you record that, dude?
No.
Ready? Yeah.
1, 2, go. Buy this app on iPhone.
Alright, so the app didn't work, so we're gonna try to do the 0 to 60 right here. There's actually a car behind us, so I'm gonna pull into this thing real quick, and then we're gonna bust a bitch real quick. Had to slide it around real quick. That's how you bust a bitch real fast. Alright. So get the camera angle, okay? Okay. And I'm gonna edit it in the video to see, how long the 0 to 60 is. Alright. We do it up here.
Mexico.
Make sure there's no cops. Alright. Ready? That's pretty good.
That was a lot better.
That was pretty good. Yeah, those tires are cool too. Oh, and the tires are running Federals 595s RSRR. So I'm running those tires. Oh, look at those Apaches right there. That's pretty cool. In Mexico, seeing Apaches in Mexico. You ever seen that? Yeah. All right. So I guess that's it. We should do we should do a clip of the exhaust.
Yeah, we'll go
we'll
go over there and we'll do a couple revs and launches, and I'll be outside the car.
Yeah, we do that real quick before it gets dark.
Yep. Okay, so we got to our spot right here. We're just gonna get a little bit of an exhaust clip right here. So he's gonna rev it a little bit. Go for it. One more time. Little rev. All right, now he's gonna launch it after this car drives by real quick. It'll launch for us, and then I think we can get that second gear. Wait for this truck to drive by. Right over there. Alright. Go for it. Uh-oh, guys. So I think that launch went pretty bad. I think his drive shaft went out. sucks. Dang.
Why? This always happened to me. I knew when I was bouncing off rev limiter, I knew like, fuck, this is bad.
So.
Alright guys, so this is what happened. Maybe like 6 months ago, something happened. They were, oh look at this guy, dude. Oh dude. I would snag that up if my car was running right now. Anyways, this rear axle snapped on me before. At the time the car was still in warranty, so I put everything back to stock. I think I told you guys about this. And they changed it, whatever. Same axle. Let me show you how I know it's the axle. Fuck. Check it out. Why does it always happen to me? Why? Always. So, you could see the axle right there. You see it? You guys can see that. Now, when I go under there, and you can see right where the CV boot is. Wow. Wow. All I have to say is wow. Damn, dude. Well, so, I mean, there's a 0 to 60, so I'm probably going to have to get some higher horsepower rated axles. I'm going to have to get some 500 horsepower rated axles since this thing's like 500 horsepower. I don't know, dude. Breaking axles all day long. Damn, man. This sucks. Yeah, man. I just washed the car. Dang, man. Now it's going to be sitting in my driveway for a week until I get the part. But you know what? Believe that's going to be a video of an install. We'll install some new axles for sure. But yeah, guys, so that's it. Axle snapped on us while we were doing it. I hope you guys like those exhaust clips. But so yeah, another video coming soon when we replace the axle. So Ghost, right now, we're gonna push it home since I don't live too far from Mexico. It's rolling pretty good. You got it, Gabriel? Yeah. Alright guys, halfway home. I just want to let you guys how it sounds. So I could just put it in gear without the clutch. On my first gear.
Hey, you go outside, I'll show them what the axle's ready.
You want to see the axle, you'll see.
No, you can hear it. Put it in gear. Oh, from in there.
That's the same axle the guy replaced.
Alright, so
we're taking a little breather break.
Yeah, we're tired. We'll see. Let's go.
Alright, halfway home. We made it home. There she sits. And it's, what time is it?
It's 8, barely 8.
Barely 8 o'clock, so we got home in under 30 minutes. That's how close to Mexico I live. But, yeah, so, I'm probably gonna order the part tonight. And then when I get it, we'll do an install video. So, for now, gotta whip the Jeep around. But yeah.
Show them the new Miata. They can see it from here.
Alright, a little sneak peek real quick. There's Gabriel's new Miata.
2000 SE NB Miata.
NB Miata. We'll make a video about that too. But yeah, so made it home safe. Didn't have to call the tow truck. So we'll see you when we replace the part. I'm gassed. Alright guys, take it easy.
Later.